don't want to be a man? Human being? Somebody who can make mistakes? A masculine man leading. Listen to what I'm saying. Man, masculine man leading is what I'm speaking to. I'm normalizing what your fear is part of being a man. Part of leading feminine, part of being in a relationship is you may make mistakes. And ultimately, there's a facet of I don't want to do this, show up and look bad. I don't want to do this, show up and make a mistake. I don't want to do this, show up and it end or be temporary. That. You don't want to do anything that could not go well, that could fail, that could not work out, not be the thing. You don't want to make a mistake. On every level, leading as a man, being a human being, you have to maintain perfection by all costs. It's not a yes, it's a no. For you, you can't be with that. How deep your conversation is for perfection. You're explaining how you don't want to go into a relationship until you know that it's going to be perfect forever. You have two choices. You can be with her. And all of the risks, all of the leadership, all of the possibility of mistake, fighting, all the things outside of the realm of perfect and happily ever after are there. That's part of relating with others. Choice number one. Choice number two, you take all the reasons and everything that you're saying that are fearful or whatever and choose to be complete and done. Move on as just friends, platonic. If anything, until she's healthy, stop all the intertwining until you guys can genuinely have a friendship for genuinely being friends like every other friends in your life. And go and build what you want. Those are your two choices. Weighing the 18 million vice versa back and forth, the fuck for? What is your actual choice then? Because whichever one that you're for, dial into that. That is in your best interest. Lead it, follow it. Dissatisfied with the circumstances, like you said, lose-lose. You don't get this person that you love. That's a factor. And you also own not wasting their time. You also own that you don't want them. You also own that you don't want the risk of going back to the cycles you already had. That's all true and factual. So step into that and move the fuck on. You're saying that you chose to move on. Bullshit. I'm giving you two examples of where you've moved on. You have not moved on. That person, you have a more beautiful relationship with her now, from what I've heard. It's just a grown man shit, and like you can't be with that. You still want it to feel good. You still want it to be in your pocket. You still want to love this person. Great, love this person and let them love themselves. Love this person for this person. You say you love them. No, you like the feeling you get from them. You love who they are for you. You do not love them. Like it's not love that says I'm going to keep you here in this holding pattern. That's not love for her. Think about it. You can't bring that energy in the space and still act like you're confused and reflective. It's a lose-lose. Okay, so get on with the lose that you let another motherfucker go at least. And figure your shit out and move on. If that's in the space, that's not a hell yes. Yeah, it may not be a hell no yet, but you're not a hell yes, so you're not on for this ride. I'm going to lead that. We don't do it this way. That's clear. So I know where I'm going. You need to get off this train. That's leadership. That's a lead.